is yet to unveil its 7th generation foldable, but the S26 series, which is expected to launch in January, has already entered rumor mills. After the delay in One UI 7, Samsung skipped One UI 7.1 for the upcoming foldables and is jumping straight to One UI 8. With leaks suggesting minimal hardware changes for the S26 lineup, Samsung is going to shift its focus to software once again. Whispers of One UI 8.5, the software set to power the 2026 flagship, suggests that Samsung is looking to cook something big. Samsung has quietly started firmware development for One UI 8.5, according to two trusted tipsters cited by Sam Mobile. Built on Android 16, it'll follow One UI 8.0 and mark the return of Samsung's older tradition of significant mid-cycle updates, like the point 0.5 version seen to One UI 2. Unlike recent years when One UI 6.1 and 7.0 skipped major mid-cycle release in favor of minor 1.1 iteration, One UI 8.5 promises to be a substantial leap. Its existence was also hinted at the hidden menus within One UI 7. While details are still under wrap, One UI 8.5 is expected to bring polished user experience rivaling that of Apple's design-heavy iOS 26. One UI 8.5 is said to be positioned as a gap filler to keep Galaxy devices competitive until the next OS cycle. This update may roll out to older devices, with the Galaxy S25 series likely to get full suite of new features, while select enhancements could reach S24, S23, and even S22 series. Samsung's early work on One UI 8.5 signals bold ambition for the S26 series.